Hey, Lee, are you in here? This director of this warehouse guru, Lee Winters. Oh, he brought his little friend today. Hello, friend. Hey. Hello, Lee.
How's it going, guys?
This is the guy that makes sure all of your orders are packed correctly. Hello.
What's up, Lee?
And get to you as fast and efficiently as possible. We'll go over here real quick. This is where the mailman all pieces.
We can't hear you, Ben.
Oh, can you hear me
now? We can. Now we can.
Awesome. All right. Yeah, it looks like I'm on. All right. So what else we got? This is our warehouse. I'm in the most of our product now. We actually started moving a lot over to our backup warehouse. It's actually bigger than our primary warehouse because we're growing so fast. All right, Britt, you might want to hide. We got a few packers in here. Britt doesn't want to be famous today. But, I won't get you on camera. This is our packing room. These guys are killing it today. Tons of orders going out. The new CBD pain relief cream. I just saw it right here. I think they went to get more. There it is. Let me show them. Yeah, selling like hotcakes in the words of Super Packer Brittany. Thank you. And we got Will crushing it today. These guys are restocking everything. All right, so let's get rocking. Since I'm here, just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough. But Ryan, anything else you want to add?